In the heart of Springfield, Marge Simpson loved her kitchen, where laughter and aromas filled the air. One stormy evening, as thunder rumbled, she decided to try a new recipe, a family heirloom passed down through generations. The ingredients felt oddly cold, as if touched by fingers of frost. As she chopped and stirred, a chilling wind swept through the room, extinguishing her lights. Marge dismissed it as an old house quirk, but a whisper echoed, chilling her to the bone. Suddenly, the ingredients began to swirl in a ghastly dance, forming shapes of lost souls, their mouths frozen in silent screams. Marge gasped, clutching her rolling pin. The kitchen was no longer a sanctuary. It was a battleground for a spirit who had once loved the recipe but was betrayed by it, now seeking revenge. Each meal Marge prepared drew the angry specter closer, its presence thickening like a fog. Desperate, Marge abandoned her cooking and fled to the living room, but the phantom followed, manifesting as twisted versions of her family. In a final confrontation, she faced the spirit, realizing it was her own fear that had brought this curse. In that moment, she understood. Her kitchen had become a reflection of her darkest thoughts.